Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison and I'm going to be doing an extreme deep clean on the refrigerator, the freezer, and also the oven in this video. So don't forget to sit back, relax, and watch the transformation from how we go from a really dirty fridge to a really clean fridge and the before and after. I get rid of 2.5 full garbage bags full of expired foods and anything in here that is just going bad that we don't want in here or is not used, mostly because it's expired, and then also me wiping everything down. So stick around because it is also a collaboration with a dear friend of mine here on YouTube. Her name is Jennifer, and I'm gonna tag her down below in my description, her YouTube and her Instagram, so you guys can go ahead and follow her on both channels. And she posts motherhood vlogs, Q&As with her husband, day in the life vlogs, cleaning motivation, crafts, anything you can think of. So if you are interested in all of that, which I'm sure you are, I would highly recommend going and checking her channel out, showing her some love, subscribing to her, because she is one amazing woman and she does amazing content, and I'm sure you guys will absolutely love it. So don't forget, once you're done watching my video, to go over there and check hers out. Like I said, I will leave her link in the description down below. So I'm just going to start out by taking everything out of the fridge. Anything that's been sitting in here that I have cooked that is just been a few days old or over the time that I like to eat it, I'm just going to put that aside so that way I can clean out the containers and put those in the dishwasher or hand wash them depending on how big they are, because I don't always put everything in the dishwasher. It really just depends on if it fits or if it cleans well in there. Sometimes I like to hand wash some stuff, but I'm just going through everything and making sure that nothing is expired, and if it is, I am just going to toss it. I also am going to be wiping everything down in here. I'm just using some Lysol spray and a wet washcloth, and then we are just going to let it dry out and then put the food back.
You and me stuck on the ocean now.
I'm a little curious to know how long you guys go with cleaning your fridge out. This is not my fridge. This is actually my grandparents' fridge. We are staying at their house while they are on vacation, which they will be back in 2 days from now. So this video is going up on Friday. They will be back on Saturday, but honestly, it's in a collaboration with Jennifer, so we had this date planned. But I am so happy that I was here to do it for my grandparents because it desperately needed it, and it's just another way for me to go ahead and help them out, as well as cleaning out the oven and throwing away all the expired foods, because obviously I don't want them eating expired foods. So I'm just really happy that I'm able to do this while I'm here for them and just really giving it a good deep clean.
Could be ourselves, didn't have much, but nevertheless we were true to each other. But now we don't even bother. I remember you being hopeful, but the tall waves have worn us down, and slowly we are drowning. That's why you need to come with me, with me, with me. Turn around 180 degrees and cross the sea. I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have. I always knew we could do so many great things, so believe in me, I believe in you, and I just feel that this will be an upswing, so hear me out. I know we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home. Chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, chasing all that we don't have, all the way back home.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Not sure what I expected. To think you wouldn't be so reckless. I keep on pretending I know we better end it. I said it more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being nothing else. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kind of toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. Once everything is wiped down and good to go, I'm just going to place everything that is still good and not expired back into the fridge. Like I said, everything was thrown away before I put it even on the counter. I just checked the dates so I could just throw it away immediately. And then that way, once I was done with wiping everything down, I was able to just put everything that's still good back into the fridge in an organized place. So very happy I was able to do this for my grandparents. Like I said before, I did give the fridge a little bit of a break because it had been open for so long before I did the side drawers and wiped all of that down and made sure everything wasn't expired in there. So I did take a little bit of a break, probably about 30 to 40 minutes, because I didn't want the fridge to be open too long and everything else to go bad. So I did keep the door closed and then waited a little bit to do the side, as well as the freezer. I tried to do the freezer as quickly as possible because we did have some ice cream and frozen foods obviously in there. They can defrost very quickly, and if I'm doing it for about 30 minutes, that can really defrost everything and melt the ice cream. So I was really trying to hurry up during all of this because I didn't want anything to go bad, which I think I did pretty well. But next step will be definitely cleaning out the side drawers. I am just going to be taking all of that out, which has like the condiments, the dressings, ketchup, mustard, the creamer. We have a little drawer in there that they like to keep some stuff in. And then on the top shelf, they have some like garlic, minced garlic, and then leftover like soy sauce packets from like Chinese places, you know, extras that you have. So this is the after shot. I am actually very pleased with how it came out. It just looks so much cleaner, so much neater. I'm sure once they get home, they will be so happy. This drawer right here is actually just all of our stuff, so it will be empty once we leave, and then everything else is theirs. So this is the final product of what the actual fridge looks like, and then we're going to move on to the side drawers.
I got this weight on my shoulders, slowing me down. I don't know how it came about. And while the world is spinning faster every night, I feel I'm stuck in reverse somehow. But it ain't no one's fault that I am stuck.
I'm really not too sure when the last time my grandparents went through everything in here, because there was a lot of expired condiments and foods and stuff in here that obviously I wouldn't want them to eat. So I'm really happy that I did this when I did, so that way I could get everything nasty and yucky out of the fridge for them, so that way they have everything nice and neat and everything is good for them to eat. So I'm not too sure how long it's been, but I'm really happy that I was able to do this for them.
is coming. Ooh, I should have heard faith calling, trying to pull me out. But how do I get out? Yeah, how do I get out? I feel the pressure on me, how it's itching under my own skin. It's getting real hard to breathe. I gotta move on right now. I feel the pressure. I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss. Make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer. Don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over. Yeah, we could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. Don't waste no precious time. Go back to my place. Don't waste no precious.
Moving on to the freezer, I was not aware that over halfway through me wiping everything down in the freezer that I wasn't recording. So I got the very last bit of me actually wiping everything down, but I did feel like I got the most satisfying part, which was the very bottom of the freezer. As you can see, it is just super messy. That's where everything likes to fall. So I was able to get that shot in here once I realized I was not recording, but I did get that in there for you guys, and I was able to put everything back. So at least I got that, but it was a little bit of a mistake, and I will try to make sure that it won't happen again, because obviously you guys are here for some cleaning motivation, but I'm doing the best I can.
Look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So the last thing I'm going to be working on is the oven. It is a little bit dirty in some spots, but really not on the sides of the wall of the oven, but on the bottom it is. That's where usually everything falls. So I was very happy that I was able to get this done before they got home, because I really wouldn't want my grandma sitting in here scrubbing this, because my back was starting to kill me. But luckily my husband found me a little spatula, which made the job 10 times easier. I swear I would have been here all night and this would have taken me hours scrubbing it from this little sponge, but he found me a little spatula, so I was able to go ahead and just scrape it away so much quicker. But I'm just gonna wipe everything down in here. And then, like I said, the sides of the oven were not dirty, weren't really that dirty, so I really was focusing more on the bottom and then on the front side of the oven, the one that opens and closes, because that is a little bit dirtier. But I'm really happy that I was able to do this for them, because like I said, I wouldn't want my grandma doing this on her own. So I'm just putting a little bit of elbow grease in here, and we're gonna get this oven nice and clean.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? How did we end up here in the corner, looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb, while we enemies. No,
need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you can be my fame. Don't need a fast car to imagine I'm tripping. You can light it up, girl, I ain't the guy judging. And baby, that's on me, I don't need a boost. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you're digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold. If you wanna join, I am open for business. I can be your gun, baby, you will be the trigger. Let's put up a show that we'll never forget. And yeah, baby, there's no shame. We'll take it as far as we want to, so listen. Stop at any place that is better than prison. Put it all on me, I don't need the booze. This is every part of me and everything I do. If it's the money part you digging me, I will take you to a place downtown. But if you don't like all the bling you see, I'll show you my little smoother side. And when we are out cruising, you don't need my hand to hold. I kinda like what we're doing, how this story will unfold. Let's take off where we started, me and you and our bodies. Hurry up and let's not waste no time. Cause I don't need a hit to believe that I'm living. You can lock me up if my tongue keeps slipping. I'ma keep spitting up rhymes I'm digging, and you could be my fame. Yeah, you could be my fame. You could be my fame, yeah, yeah. I'ma keep spitting the rhymes I'm digging, yeah. And I'ma keep spinning, yeah. The years I'm digging. You could be my fame.
Used to feel like I was free. Now it's just broken pieces of me. I don't know why you pretend. No, I don't wanna be at your party, seeing you right next to somebody. Why do you keep on trying to, when you know what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want ya, why don't we go figure it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. It's so difficult to see. Whatever happens is meant to be. Then you'll ask me what is wrong, and I don't even know how to answer. It's time to put an end to our chapter. Why do you keep on trying to, when you know what we shouldn't do? Even though that I want ya, why don't we go figure it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. kiss my why don't we go figure it? Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. Yeah, I know what we said, I still think we should figure it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Out on our own. I just hope that we'll be okay. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky. When you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. Love a little louder. Love a little louder.
This video is coming to an end, you guys. I'm just going to put the racks back in the oven and then we are good to go. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching this cleaning motivation with me. And also don't forget to check out Jennifer's channel. I'm going to be leaving her link in the description. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy.